What's happening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? This is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker, coming at you with another hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial. This one is from the greatest selling rap artist of all time, EMINEM, featuring Juice WRLD. What's the song called? Godzilla. I wasn't familiar with it. It's been requested a ton of times. I'm a big EMINEM fan from like way back in the day, but I wasn't familiar with this one. I listened to it, had a cool little bass line, cool drum beat, pretty simple melody on top for the chorus, and EMINEM throwing down the verses always is great. This is the easy version, which is just drums and the bass, which is basically the main substance of the song. I'm going to do another version that's going to have the full thing. It's going to be a bit longer and have Juice WRLD's part on top of the bass line, but this is the simple version. Be on the lookout for the new version coming soon. Listen to the bass line and drum line in the easy version. Same thing, just repeats itself over and over. But it's dope, it's catchy, it's a good little part. I dig it. Let's figure out how to make it from scratch, shall we? Go to restart. We're gonna blank canvas. We're gonna go to settings. We're gonna change one thing, scale from major to chromatic. Then click the blue check mark. Now we have the similar looking thing, but we have more squares because we have all the notes. Instead of just our major notes, we have the chromatic scale notes. So this is a very simple drum part, but we're going to change the tempo first from 120 to 160. Double click on it, type 160, press enter. Now your tempo is magically at 160. We're going to throw in the drums next, which are this bottom row of circles right here. On the top row of circles, we have a triangle. You're going to put a triangle on the fifth of each bar, the fifth space. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, empty, then on the fifth one, put it, then 3 skips after, then the next bar. White, and gray. Separate the bars. So on the fifth triangle, throw that down, and then we're going to put in some bass drum notes, which is a circle. Put one at the beginning of the first bar and the third bar, which are both white sections. And then on the gray bars, excuse me, put one on the circle right after the triangle. Boom. Let's hear the beat. Pretty cool, pretty simple, easy peasy. Let's go ahead and put in some notes, shall we? We're gonna put this fourth one from the bottom here. We're gonna skip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put another one of the same thing. Then don't skip 1. You go up 2 and put one right there at the end of that white section. Is gonna be that color. Very cool. If you've got that ready to go, go ahead and put in the gray section, which looks like this. We're going to put this darker green right above it at the beginning of the gray. Skip 2, put another one of those. Skip 1, this green, same one we had earlier. Skip 2, and that's the end of that bar. And the easy part is the next 2 bars, exactly the same as the first 2 bars. So I'm just going to plug that in real quick. Looks like this. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. A little shameless self-plug. There it is. And that's the entirety of the song. Let's hear it. Sounds great. But I think the marimba sounds a little cheesy. If you switch to synth, since the notes are low, it has a cool like synth bass sound. Let's hear it. Yeah, I think electronic drums are the right move because it is an electronic beat, but you can mess around with that all you want. Kit might sound cool. Sounds pretty good to me. Experiment with it all you want. Like I said, I'm going to drop the full version next week on the same time. Stay tuned for the full version. Still working on that, throwing it in the works, and that'll be coming soon. Thank you for all your requests. You guys' support means the world to me. Keep those requests coming so I know what kind of video to make next, because I'm not hip. Y'all are hip. Y'all gotta let me know what's hip. But thanks for watching. Like I said, smash that like and subscribe button. You know what to do. See you next time. Keep on making music. Peace and love.